Welcome to our guide on programming languages for the Internet of Things. If you are building smart devices, from tiny sensors to complex smart home hubs, choosing the right programming language is the first critical step. Today, we will explore the best options available, including Python, C, JavaScript, and more, to help you decide which tool fits your specific project needs. Internet of Things programming is the art of writing code that allows physical devices to connect, communicate, and exchange data over the internet. This process is not just about one single device. It spans the entire ecosystem, starting from the code running on the tiny chips inside sensors, moving to the gateway devices that aggregate this data, and finally reaching the cloud servers where the information is analyzed and displayed to the user. When selecting a language, it is helpful to categorize them into two main groups. First, we have low-level or embedded languages. These run directly on the hardware, offering incredible efficiency and real-time performance, but they can be steeper to learn. On the other side are high-level or application languages. These abstract away the complex hardware details, making it easier to process data and build applications quickly, though they typically require more memory and power to run. C and C++ are often called the metal masters because they run closest to the bare metal of the hardware. They are the industry standard for microcontrollers. Their primary advantage is performance and control. They allow you to manage every single bit of memory, which is essential when working with cheap chips that have very limited resources. If you are coding for Arduino or writing an embedded operating system, these are the languages you will use. Python has become a favorite in the Internet of Things world, largely due to its simplicity and readability. It is the go-to language for single-board computers like the Raspberry Pi, where it serves as a powerful tool for reading sensors and processing data locally. Additionally, a specialized version called MicroPython allows you to run Python code on select microcontrollers, bridging the gap between ease of use and hardware control. JavaScript, particularly with the Node.js runtime, is an excellent choice for the connectivity layer of the Internet of Things. Its event-driven nature makes it perfect for handling the constant stream of triggers and signals from devices. Furthermore, using JavaScript allows a developer to use a single language for the entire stack, programming the device, managing the server, and building the web dashboard that users interact with. Java is famous for its philosophy of write once, run anywhere. Thanks to the Java virtual machine, code written in Java is highly portable across different hardware architectures. It is a dominant force in industrial Internet of Things and large enterprise systems where stability and maintainability are paramount. It is also the foundation of Android, making it a natural choice for building the mobile apps that control smart devices. As the industry evolves, new contenders have emerged. Rust is gaining traction as a modern alternative to C. It offers the same speed but with guaranteed memory safety, preventing common security vulnerabilities. Meanwhile, Go, or Golang, is built for high concurrency. It excels at handling thousands of simultaneous connections, making it an ideal choice for the communication servers that manage vast networks of connected devices. Choosing the right language ultimately depends on four key factors. First, consider your hardware constraints. Limited memory demands C or Rust. Second is speed. Does your device need to react instantly? Third is power consumption. Efficient code saves battery life. Finally, consider developer skill. Languages like Python allow for much faster development and prototyping, which might be more valuable than raw execution speed for your specific project. To wrap up, here is a quick comparison. If you need maximum performance on tiny chips, C or Rust are your best bets. For data analysis and quick prototyping on powerful boards like the Raspberry Pi, Python is king. If you want a full-stack solution with event handling, look at JavaScript. And for large-scale, portable industrial systems, Java remains a strong leader. Assess your hardware and your goals, and you will find the perfect language for your next Internet of Things project.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.